In the last video, we created a few pages and we also noticed that WordPress listed them in alphabetical order to the right of the logo. However, this is not what we want. First, we don't want privacy policy and terms of service here. And secondly, we want to be able to control the order in which the pages are listed. If we take a look at the website we are building, you will see that we've got home, about, curriculum, blog, and contact as menu items, and then a call to action for the one-to-one clarity session page. We'll see how to create this button later. For now, we'll focus on the menu items and see how to have them here in this order. Let's head over to our website and open the WP admin. In order to create a menu, you need to go to Menus under Appearance. You can see there is no menu available at the moment. We'll create a menu, and to do that, we need to specify a menu name and also select the display location. The locations that you see here are dependent on the theme you are using. It is up to the theme authors which locations they have defined in their theme. We are using Astra, and Astra defines two menu locations: primary menu and footer menu. We'll name our menu Main Navigation and select primary menu for the display location. Once done, click on Create Menu. The menu has been created and we can now add pages to it. This section on the left lists all the items that you can add to your menu, pages, posts, and so on. I'll go ahead and select the pages that we want to display in our menu. After selecting the pages, click on Add to Menu. The pages have been added, but their order is not what we want. We want to list our pages in this order. And to do that, we can simply drag a page and then drop it where we want. See, it's that simple. So we have specified the menu name, added the pages in the order we want, and also selected the display location. Let's save the menu and take a look at the front end of the site. There you go. We now have just the pages we wanted and in the correct order as well. If you want to change the order, simply rearrange the pages in the menu and then save it. Now you need to be very careful while rearranging the menu items. Let's see what happens if we drag the About page a little towards the right. We'll save and refresh. See, About is no longer visible in the top level menu items, and it is now a sub-menu under Home. It is that simple to create a drop-down menu in WordPress. You can resize your browser window to see how the menu would look like on a mobile phone. Drop-down menu is fully responsive and is working fine in this view as well. We'll see how to design this further in the next video. For now, let's bring back About to where it was and save. So this is how you create and manage a menu in WordPress. See you in the next video.